Step 1. Draw basic letters with thin lines. Step 2. Add rounded outlines to the letters. Step 3. Fill it up. Step 4. Using black for the outlines.
Phone trips, friend the stranger with my knob, or you're in the phone list. Rockin' they bring the ball begins for home free.
Step 5. Now for some 3D depth. Step 6. White for the highlights. Final step, adding decorations. Subscribe for more. Don't miss the journey to 10K.